the Kanniyakumari-Tirunelveli route. Muppanthal, the largest wind farm in India and the third largest in the world, is located on this route. The distance from Kanniyakumari to Muppanthal is 7 kilometers. This village was once mainly dependent on agriculture. Groundnut, sesame, maize, and millet will grow in abundance. Gradually, windmills mushroomed. Wind farms have grown up on acres of land in and around Kanniyakumari and Tirunelveli districts. With the advent of wind farms, land prices have skyrocketed, giving way to infrastructure development and better lifestyles. During this period, people sold their farms and made a profit. This is Muppanthal. You have to climb a little further inland, but you can see a wide view of the wind farm. Since 1986, Muppanthal has been home to India's largest operational onshore wind farm in terms of installed capacity. Muppanthal's geographical location with strong winds from the Arabian Sea makes it an ideal location for wind turbines. There are several wind turbines here ranging from 200 kilowatts to 1,650 kilowatts. Muppanthal Wind Farm, which consists of turbines of several private companies, was developed by the Tamil Nadu Energy Development Agency. The wind turbines here are the oldest turbines in the country. The advantages and disadvantages of wind farms are intertwined in this area, creating a paradox that makes it difficult for people to identify whether wind farms are good or bad. For better or worse, these farms brought a wind of change to the people and the local economy.